on my first one, I have to solve it for y. I'll do blue on that one. And if you're using just a pencil, when you're doing pencil and paper, it doesn't matter that they're not the same color. They can all be pencil. You don't have to use colored pencils, unless you want to. So on the first one, I'm going to subtract my x. So I'm going to have y is greater than negative x, less than negative x plus 5. So I'll go ahead and graph that one. So I begin at 5. My slope is a negative 1, so I'm going to go down 1, right 1, a dashed line. And I am less than. So less than 5. Here's my 5. Less than 5 would be below it. And since this part of the axis is on this side of the line, I'm shading that direction. Now I'll go to my second one. Solve for y. So I'm going to subtract my x. So negative 2y is less than negative x plus 8. And divide by negative 2. Ding, ding, I'm dividing by a negative. So y is greater than positive 1/2 x minus 4. Okay, so subtract your x, divide by negative 2. Understood 1, negative over negative makes positive, positive over negative, negative. Switch the direction of the symbol. So begin at negative 4. Positive slope of 1/2, so I'm up 1, right 2. Dashed line. Make sure that if you have two lines and they're going to intersect, that you find you keep going, drawing that line until they intersect. And then we have greater than. So here's negative 4. Greater than negative 4 would be the numbers above it. So that part of the axis falls on the upper part of the pink line, so I'm going to be shading that direction. So right now, it's all happening right here. This is where my intersection is going on. And then my last one. Well, let's use green. X is greater than or equal to 1. Special line, one variable. You have to remember that's vertical. That is a solid line. Greater than 1 would be to the right of that point. So I would be shading to the right of that point, which means that my final answer is happening in this triangle. So I definitely want to make sure I can see where your final graph answer is, okay? Just real quickly, I'm going to illustrate on this next one with something, but I'm going to use one color so that you can see what a mess it can be. So let's say on this one here, you drew a line, and then you drew these kind of lines, and then you drew another line,